So you might be trying to go ahead and figure out how to use Amazon Music. It's one of the most popular, streaming applications out there, but it's also a hidden one because not a lot of people use it. But if you have Amazon Prime, then you already get Amazon Music. So this is what the application basically looks like. To get started with it, what you can do is you can open it up and you're going to it's going to ask you to go ahead and log in with your Amazon Prime account. After logging in, you can create your account, and this is what the application looks like, pretty similar to Spotify. Now, within the account, you have a lot of different things you can choose from. So the first page will basically be your home page. You can go through and you can essentially, just look at songs that you've recently played in different playlists and albums. You have your profile account option in the top left corner. You can tap on it if you want to go ahead and get into more of your information in your account settings. The bottom right will be that little Alexa icon. So you can go ahead and tap on it if you want to actually control your music with Alexa and your voice. So you can tap on that if you want to and kind of adjust it. The second tab at the bottom is a find button. If you tap on that find button, it will allow you to go ahead and find a song and play songs based off what you want to find or what you want to hear. You can also go and tap on the categories at the bottom, and you can go ahead and play songs based off on those categories. So here, if I just click on here and if I just play whatever random song is at the top, you can see this is kind of what it would look like. Now there's a lot of different things going on here. You can tap on here if you want to get into the lyrics automatically. There's this little X-ray button, which is kind of interesting. Now you can also tap on the like button right there if you want to like the song. You can pause the song right there. You can skip it back and forward. There's also a share button down here. You can cast it out. You can playlist it. You have a lot of other options here too, and you still have the Alexa button at the top. If you want, you can tap onto that drop down here, and you'll come back into your main page, and you can click back on find if you want to find that particular, if you want to find a particular song. This next button, so this is where it's going to allow you to go through and find specific playlists and songs and different things like that specifically made for your account. So you can go through and you can, tap on a playlist if you want to. You can go and, make music for yourself and listen to it. There's tons of different things you can do here. So you can tap right into here and you can find all that stuff and you can, play your playlist from there. The last button right here is the upgrade button. If you want to upgrade to Amazon Music Unlimited, you can also do that here and you can upgrade to this particular account and you have that type of capability as well. So there's a lot of cool stuff here. I'm definitely a big fan of Amazon Music. I barely ever use it though, but you do get it if you get Prime, and that's essentially how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.